Okay, so have you read through the story again? If you have, then it's time to start thinking about the tasks that we're going to do based on the ground gave way. So we're going to spread these out over 2 days. Day number 1. Today we're going to think about vocabulary. And so on the home learning page, on the literacy section, you'll see that I have given you 6 words from the story. Words like rickety, trailing, flint, tangled. 6 words all together, and what I'd like you to do first of all is have a think about what those words mean. Use a dictionary. So first thing, thinking about the meaning of those words. And the second thing I'd like you to do today for your tasks is to make up a word search using the more interesting words from this story. So on the home learning page you'll find that there's a template. It's 15 squares across and 15 squares down, or you could draw out on a square page, 15 across and 15 down, or you could use Microsoft Word and draw a table. But what I'd like you to do is pick out the more interesting words from the story, at least 12, 13, 14 of them, however many you can fit in, and then insert them into the word search. Fill in then all the extra squares with just random letters, and then challenge somebody to find the words that you've hidden. Now, to help them out, don't forget that under a word search you have to write all the words at the bottom of the page. Okay, so the words that you have put into the word search, put them at the bottom of the page for somebody to find. That's day 1. On day 2, what I'd like you to do today is make up your own questions based on the story. Now, we're going to do this a little bit differently today. So we're going to make 8 questions up today altogether. For the first 4 questions, I'd like you to begin each question with a different question word. Okay, question words can be things like who, what, when, where, which. Lots of question words. Try to use a different one to begin each question. Don't forget, we need to be able to find the answer in the story. So that's questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. For question 5 and question 6, this time I'd like you to make up a question, but I'd like you to make it multiple choice. So I'd like you to give 3 possible answers to the question, and then whoever's working out the answers has to work out which one of your statements is actually true. So write a question, give 3 possible answers, but only one of them will be true. So that's question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 7 and number 8. For this part of our task, I'd like you to make up some true or false statements. So write a statement about something that's happened in the story. It could be true, something that definitely did happen. Or you might change a little detail and then the statement becomes false. So write down 2 statements. They might both be true, they might both be false, might be one true, one false. And we'll see if we can get somebody to work out the answer, if they can work out which ones are true or false. And then P6, what we would really love you to do is, if you've been writing the questions down on a page, get an adult to take a photograph of that page and email it to your teacher so we could have a look at the work you've been doing. Or if you've been typing out your answers using Microsoft Word or any other sort of program, again, we would love you to attach that to an email and send it to us, because we really would love to see the sort of work that you are doing at home. So good luck. Spread those tasks out over 2 days. Good luck.